Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's J Makori, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, do so. So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to hide your pimples, on how to hide your acne, on how to hide your skin pigmentation using just makeup. So let's just start it. So the first thing you need to do, I will first use a setting powder. Like, I'll set my makeup. This one is, I'm so oily. Like, anybody who has an acne skin, their skin is usually very oily, most of the people actually. So I'll try to set, and by setting, like, I'll just make sure everything is in place. Before that, before I forget, like, I've already toned, I've used serum, I've moisturized my face. So I'm going to primer, and I'm using a Rimmel primer. Add a little on my T-zone. And actually, if you're having like your first got some skin related problems like acne, pimples, just always learn to tap any product. Like, don't rub anything on your face, just like learn to tap in. Actually, the secret is like tap anything in so that it be absorbed well in your scars, in your pimples. Just tap. And of course, by hiding your acne, your pimples, you are like doing something to your skin, like treating it and all that. So next, I'm going to set my skin, and I'm using a banana loose powder. Actually, I wouldn't recommend you blow the excess product off if you're having a oily skin. Like, don't blow everything, just press all that inside your skin. And you try to put like excess product, that is excess loose powder, on the areas you tend to sweat a lot. Once I'm done with the loose powder, I go to a face powder, and I'm using Fit Me in the shade Toffee. This one, I'm just like setting everything inside my skin. Like, I want to set that loose powder. And again, the secret is that just press in. Trust me, if you have acne, pimples, like skin pigmentation, this procedure here will just work magic for you. And remember, when you're using the face powder, it should be like your skin shade. Don't use something lighter, and don't use something so darker. So after I'm done with the face powder, I'm going to like to correct my scars. Like, you see, I still have some popping spots, so I'll correct that. Okay, usually I'll advise, if you're a beginner, use a skin corrector. It's called a skin corrector from LA, if I'm not wrong. Use that. But for me, I'm using Kiss Beauty Contour and Correct Cream Palette. And with this, just go where, like, don't apply it all over your face. Apply it where there is the dark spot and where the pimples are popping. Like, I have a pimple here on my forehead. Remember, I'm not just like rubbing, I'm pressing in. Like I've said, this one, you just do it like you don't go applying it all over your face. Just apply where there are the scars and the pimples. So after that, like, I've corrected my scars. Next, I'm going to my foundation. I'm using a blender, and usually I wet my blender, but I don't like putting it in water. I like spraying it with my setting spray. And for this case, I'm using Maria Badescu facial spray with aloe vera herbs and rose water. And when you're having skin like pigmentation, pimples, acne, make sure the foundation you're using is full coverage for you to cover your face. And again, when you're doing your foundation, if you're having the scars, the pimples, don't do too much foundation at once. Do the little, just do a little product, and you'll go on if the coverage is not okay with you, you'll go on adding. Don't just do too much when for the first I'll say for the first application, don't do too much of it, because it will be too difficult for you when it comes to blending. So next, after you've done applied your foundation, you can see that those areas the orange corrector is still there, it's visible, it can be seen. So next, I'm going to take my concealer, and for this case I'm using a Maybelline Eraser concealer. So this concealer, I'll just use it to I'll put it where I'd already corrected using the orange corrector. I'm doing this so that the orange corrector to bond or mix with my skin. And again, when you're doing the concealer, please make sure it should be at least if it's light, a shade lighter than your normal skin tone. It shouldn't be that light and that dark, because it should be difficult for you to blend all this in. With that done, I'll use the exact blend I used for my foundation, just to make sure everything blends in well. Blend, blend, blend. The secret to that flawless skin is blend, 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 blend all that in. Okay, we've already done the foundation and we're good to go. So next, I'm going to contour to do my lipstick, and with this I'll do off camera. There I am, done with the complete look after my lipstick. And as simple as that, your skin is so flawless, no pimple. Do I look like I have pimple acne? As simple as that, you have that flawless skin. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, do so. Share with your friends. Don't let your friends suffer. Let them hide the pimples, let them hide the scars. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.